Hi viewers, welcome to another exciting video of my YouTube channel. You are watching Asian Flavors. Today I am making a very royal dessert. It is called Shahi Kheer or rice pudding, you can say. It is very easy to make. Just follow some good tips and tricks with me and you can make this very easily at home. It is very delicious. It is very creamy. But first I would like you all to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to stay connected. It contains very simple ingredients. I have taken here 1.5 liter of milk. It is boiled already. With that I have taken 6 tablespoons of rice, basmati rice or 100 grams. I have soaked it for about half an hour and I have boiled it with 3 cups of water. When water was all reduced, I mashed it up with the masher, simple potato masher or a whisk. Actually we have to break the grain of the rice, but don't make a paste of it. With that I have taken 2 tablespoons of chopped pistachio and almonds. Both are 2 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon of raisins. You can have them with your personal choice. 3 cardamoms. I have opened them and crushed them. 6 to 8 tablespoons of sugar. Because I'll be adding this condensed milk. This is 150 ml or 150 grams in fact, and few drops of cure essence. First I'll add 1 cup of milk in this mashed rice, boiled rice. Because if we'll add it in the milk just like this, it will make lumps. So from 1.5 liter I will take 1 cup of milk and mix it well. Remove all the lumps in it. Now add the remaining milk in the pan. Add 3 crushed cardamoms, green cardamoms, and let it boil. Now viewers, you can see the milk is boiling very perfectly. Now medium the heat and let the quantity of this milk evaporate. We have to boil it and stir it continuously so it can be reduced. While cooking this milk, remove the sides of the pan just like this. Keep on cleaning it. Now add the mashed rice, which we make a paste with the milk. The milk was boiling in the pan for about good 10 to 12 minutes. Now mix all the mixture and we will cook it now on high flame for about, I think, more 10 to 12 minutes. Keep on stirring. and with that clean the sides of the pan. Do not let the mixture stick to the bottom of the pan. Now you can see all the batter has been reduced. It is about 10 to 12 minutes. In this, I'll also tell you a secret ingredient which will make this kheer or rice pudding very creamy. It is a little tip. Stay connected with me during the video. Most often we don't know the perfect time to add the sugar. I will tell you about that. The secret ingredient is 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. It will give a very creamy texture to the kheer. Adding sugar is a quite tricky part. I will show you the right time when to add sugar in the pudding. To check, you have to take 1 tablespoon of the pudding in a plate small and let it cool down for a bit. You can see it has been cooled down, and you have to slip it. When it is cooked properly, the whole portion of the pudding will slide down. Otherwise, the rice will be separated from the milk. You can see the whole mixture is slipping down. This is the right time to add sugar. Here I am adding 6 tablespoons of sugar. We will check it further. If it will be required, we will add more. Now cook it again and keep stirring it. You have to continuously cook it. At this time I am adding condensed milk because the kheer is already done. I am adding it at the end because it will stick to the bottom of the pan. So always add condensed milk in the end. Mix it well. Now here I am adding half portion of the nuts, all the nuts. It's totally up to you. You can always adjust the quantity of the nuts as per your requirement. Few drops of Cura essence. It gives a very beautiful smell to the kheer. Quick stir, and this yummy and delicious Shahi kheer or rice pudding is perfectly ready. You can see how creamy it looks. So viewers, you can see our creamy, rich and thick rice pudding is perfectly ready. Shahi kheer. I am garnishing it with silver paper. It is totally optional. And with the remaining nuts. Bring it to the room temperature first and then put it in the refrigerator to cool it down and serve it chilled. So viewers, here is the recipe. I hope you have enjoyed it with me. Do try it at home. It is truly delicious. Let's meet up in the new video. Bye bye.